Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and to all the people seeing me for the first time, this is me Hittesha and I create beauty content on my channel here on YouTube and lots of fashion content on Instagram, so you can definitely check me out over both the places. And for today's look, I have come up with this extra glam, super glittery eye makeup look for you guys for this Diwali season, and I hope you love it. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel. And now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So for my primer, I am using the rice primer from Palladio, and I like the texture of this and how it made my skin feel really smooth and soft. And also it is a mattifying one, so it is perfect for Diwali and it will make your foundation last for a longer time. Now for the foundation, I have mixed the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation with the IT Cosmetics CC cream, and I am just spreading it all over my face using my fingers. And now I'm going to use my kabuki brush to just blend out my foundation evenly all over my face. Now for the eyes, I have decided to do like the pink, Barbie pink sort of eyes because I have the same color of the sari. So this is the pink shade. I've taken the Manish Malhotra eyeshadow palette, and I swear by these eyeshadow palettes. I just love them. They do not have fallout and they blend in so easily, so well, and the color pigment payoff is also so good and bang on. So hands down, these palettes are one of my favorites. And here, as you see, the pink shade, it just gets blended like a dream. So this is the thing I used in my crease, and also I pulled it a little lower. Now I am taking the brown shade from the same palette, and I am going to concentrate this brown shade over the corner of my eyes. And as you can see, that is quite pigmented. I was thinking it would go a little light, but yeah, it was so pigmented that it came out. And now I'm just blending it so that it looks seamless and even and blended in all through. Now I'm going to do a cut crease, like a proper cut crease sort of a glitter eye look, because normal eye looks I have done so far and I wanted that crisp glitter pop on my eyes. So this is what I'm using, my concealer and this concealer brush to just cut the crease. And I did one technique here. I placed the concealer first and then I just looked up. So where your lid touches up, that is the area till where you should take and pull your concealer to, so that it does not look like too over the place. So that's a tip and trick from my end that you should definitely put into if you want a smooth looking cut crease eye makeup look. Now for the glitter palette, I've just bought it from a store because I am a fan of glitters and I was really not getting good glitters here online available. And so I just found this palette randomly when I went out to shop few things from a beauty store here, and I just bought this because I just love the colors. All the shades of glitters are so pretty. So I just started off with a lighter pink shade first, but then I didn't really like the feel how it was because it was looking too plain, too bland, and I wanted that pop of glitter on the lids. So I just used another loose glitter what I had. It is in pure Barbie pink color. So I just took the glitter and I have just placed it all over the area where we had used the concealer to cut the crease. So this is the entire lid area where I am just placing the pink glitter, and now you can see actually the eyes are popping up, and now I love the look. Moving on to the bronzer, I am using the Milani XL bronzer. It's in the shade Fake Tan, and I absolutely love how this performs, how the powder is actually made, and the color, the shade, everything. And since my eyes were too over the top and too, bold, and I wanted my eyes to be lit up, so I am just keeping my contour, my bronzer, everything too much like my skin, and very, very minimal, so that this look just highlights the eyes. Now the contour or the bronzer added the needed warmth to my face, and now there is a time to add on the brightening concealers, because after this only the entire looks gets changed and it will pop up the colors even more of my eyes. So as you can see, once I start blending the concealers, how the eyes have turned out to look even more brighter and prettier, and I am loving the look of my eyes this time. I mean, the pink shade is looking so gorgeous here, and I'm blending all of this concealer using my Pro Art mini foundation brush. I just love this brush because it just blends the concealer properly, or in fact any product, and then I go on with a damp beauty blender, so this just gives me a flawless coverage. Moving on to the blush, I am using the K-Play blush from My Glam, and it is in the shade Juicy Strawberry. And since the whole look is, the vibes of Barbie pink, so this blush perfectly matches here, and you can see how subtle and how gorgeous the blush is. Also, this blush does not accentuate any of your pores or anything, and it makes the look so soft. Now for the lips, I'm using the Nykaa Lipstone Live Lip Pencil in the shade Chocolate Boy, and I am going to carve out my lips and also fill in a bit with the pencil, and then I'm going to use a lipstick to fill in just the center of my lips, so that it gives me the illusion of bigger, fuller lips. And the lip combo here totally complemented the eye look, so I absolutely love this combo. For my highlighter today, I am using the K Beauty highlighter. It's in the shade Sunlit Gold, and I just love how this highlighter is made. It is so soft and buttery, and it does not accentuate any pores on my face. So I absolutely love this highlighter. It is so damn good, and there are offers almost all the time, so definitely check it out and invest in one if you need. And now to make the base look even more glowy and dewy, I am using this NYX setting spray. It's in the dewy form, and I am going to spritz it all over my face to lock that base in and also to make it look super glowy. And with that, we are done, guys. That's it for the look, guys. I hope you must have enjoyed this one. I absolutely loved how this turned out to be, and since my sari was so simple, like a cotton pink sari, I just thought why not to have an extra glam look for the eyes. So this is it for the video for now. It is me, Hitesha, signing off. I will see you in my next video super soon. Bye bye.